Hello and welcome to Second Street, where there's this beautiful house selling for only $90,000. Let's take you through. So, over on this side, there's a sheltered barbecue area where you can have food with all your mates. So, let's cook something to see how it works. Now that the meat's cooked, let's take a bite. Now over here we have a volleyball court for all your volleyball needs. And over here we have a good old plant. It's called a tree. And over here is where you can plant your rose bushes. Volleyball sounds fun. Let's have a spike. I think it's about time for the interior. So, let's go in. And here is a lovely kitchen inside the house for all your kitchen needs. We've got a fridge, oven, sink, and an extractor fan. The kitchen has a beautiful window that has a lovely view of the town for when you're cooking. Now, over here we have the dining room, where you can sit on the couch and eat dinner. I know, sounds weird, but don't forget the TV, which makes it 10 times weirder, but 10 times nicer. Now, what's the special place? It's the bedroom, where there's a double bed, bedside table, a chair for that bedside table, and a closet. So when you get home from school, you can do your homework like a good kid. Now, the place that every house needs is a bathroom. Let's check it out. So, you got a sink, a toilet, very close together might I add, and a shower. The shower works perfectly every time. I'm just showering with my clothes on like any good human. So, that's the house. Remember, it's only for $90,000 on Second Street. Hope you guys enjoyed, and remember, the neighbours are amazing. So I've been told.